As when I say, baby, me will give up all of my fortune for you, basically.
Fortune?
Fortune, money.
Oh.
I will give up all of my money just for you. Because in the end, it's all a revolve around me and you. Yeah, you're the right one for me, I tell you, man. And no money in the world can stop me from coming to visit you at Japan. Nobody. Nobody.
Nobody.
Okay, we see I catch your egg with you, see. So, we say later, we'll get some fish. We'll go party. You know what I mean? Go one of them club, they go party, and then if you don't know what else you'd like to do, we'll go hotel. You know, as I say, living together. Everything we do together, you know, togetherness.
Togetherness?
Yes, right now you make me happy right now. Just being around you just makes me happy right now. More no one than nowhere else more than yes with you. Basically. See that smile? Platinum smile at you. Yeah, see it there? The platinum smile. And we have a platinum smile. I can't, bro. Every time I smile, I'm rich. One time I don't smile, so yeah, man, I'm a rich man. And only if a man want to have that, but guess what? Me have it and him can't take it from me. I've got secure this with my life. Yes, you know what I mean? So basically, you're my empress and I'm your emperor. That's the thing, we're going to build a kingdom. Yeah, you know, rule our own kingdom, take over the world, that's it. Just me and you. Me to tell you. And then now you see all this, what we there, so, I'm going to buy you a beach. A matter of fact, I'm going to buy you an island. Anything what you want, me, we give you, because it's just me and you. You and you? Yes, I like how you catch it. Say it again. Me and you, yeah. Basically, so you don't know, I buy your island for yourself. So you, the kids, the body. You have two black baby and Chinese baby and run up and down, you know. We call them blackanese, you know. Yeah, we have some blackanese baby, you know. Me and you make them basically. Yeah, so as I say, go eat some fish. You up for that?
Good.
Yeah, because you like fish, right?
Yeah, I like
Nothing but the best for you, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of fish you like?
Japanese fish, but different. Jamaica fish.
Yeah, I know Japanese fish different from Jamaica fish, but you ever taste any Jamaican fish?
Do you know sushi?
Yeah, sushi kill.
I
Ooh.
like sushi.
Yeah, me afraid of sushi, because if it don't cook good, you can dead. Yeah, but me try anything, just say me show you me try anything just for you. See it, so me try the sushi fish, because nobody couldn't get me to eat it, you know. But just for you, me eat the sushi fish just for you. Yeah. Because it never cook good, though. And the Japanese are prepare it, though. No, man, baby, no, man. So as I say, right now, I buy your own island. Can I buy a Cayman if you want Cayman right now, you know? You say you want Cayman?
Cayman?
Yeah, the island, you know, Cayman, I want to buy a Cayman right now. Because money enough, you know. Money enough, you see it, baby? Money enough. As I say, buy a Cayman, we just got to go cool out. Yeah, you know, because I just want you happy. Anything for you, anything will make you happy. As long as we can give it to you, have it. You understand? Yeah, just for you, because I just want you happy.
Happy?
Yeah, see it there, happy, yeah.
All I want is you. All I want is you. All I want is you. All I want. The most beautiful girl in the world, you're my pearl, a girl I care about your happiness. Be your friend anytime, girl, you know you can talk to me. If I leave you at home, then I call on the phone just to erase all loneliness. Making sure you're okay because you're always there for me. All I want is to see you happy. All I want is to see you smile. All I want is you beside me. I'm so glad that you are mine. I gave my best to please you. I'm always there on time. No girl can make me leave you. Everything you do is fine. All I want is to see glad that you are mine. I will work in the rain for you, sing a lot of songs for you. All I do is for you. Anything I can do, I'll do. Anything to please you, boo. Cause all my love is for you. All I want is to see you happy. All I want is to see you smile. All I want is you beside me. I'm so glad that you are mine. The most beautiful girl in the world, you're my pearl. I'm gonna care about your happiness. Be your friend anytime, girl, you know you can talk to me. If I leave you at home, then I call on the phone just to erase all loneliness. Making sure you're okay because you're always there for me. All I want is to see you happy. All I want is to see you smile. All I want is you beside me. I'm so glad that you are mine. All I want is to see you happy. All I want is to see you smile. All I want is you beside me. I'm so glad that you are mine. All I want is you.
All I want is you.
All I want is you.
You know you're secure, babe.
All I want is you.
I'll never do anything to make you want.
All I want of you. All I want is you. All I want is you. All I want is you.
And when you leave New York in the morning to reach to Japan,
Yeah.
I think you're going to be night. So you're going when the sun down and I reach when the sun down. You basically, you're going to cry. You understand? Yeah. You say a word, man. Oh, you can come back. That's me and you.
Yeah, come back.
Yeah. Sweet there.
I like Jamaica.
You like Jamaica? I like Japan. Yeah, cause you like Jamaican, man. Yeah, 6 footer.